Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Novo Bank. Is it a trusted bank? Well, that's a great question, and I'm here to help you answer it. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let me just say that I'm not affiliated with Novo Bank in any way. I'm just an independent reviewer who's here to give you my honest opinion. So, with that said, let's get started. What is Novo Bank? Novo Bank is a relatively new bank that was founded in 2018. It's a challenger bank, which means that it's not a traditional bank. Instead, it offers its services online and through a mobile app. Novo Bank is known for its innovative banking products and services. It offers a variety of accounts, including checking accounts, savings accounts, and business accounts. It also offers a number of credit cards and loans. Is Novo Bank a trusted bank? Yes, Novo Bank is a trusted bank. It's FDIC insured, which means that your deposits are insured up to $250,000. Novo Bank is also a member of the FDIC's Member Bank Deposit Insurance Fund, MBDIF. This means that your deposits are even further protected in the event of a bank failure. In addition to being FDIC insured, Novo Bank has also received positive reviews from customers and industry experts. For example, Novo Bank has an A+ rating from the Better Business Bureau. What are the pros and cons of using Novo Bank? Pros. Novo Bank is a great option for people who are looking for a modern, convenient, and affordable banking experience. Novo Bank offers a variety of accounts and products, so you can find the right one for your needs. Novo Bank is FDIC insured, so your deposits are safe. Novo Bank has received positive reviews from customers and industry experts. Cons. Novo Bank is a relatively new bank, so it doesn't have the same track record as some of its competitors. Novo Bank doesn't have any physical branches, so you'll need to do all of your banking online or through the mobile app. Novo Bank doesn't offer as many features as some other banks. So, is Novo Bank a trusted bank? Yes, I believe it is. It's FDIC insured, it has received positive reviews, and it offers a variety of products and services that can meet the needs of most people. However, there are some things to consider before opening an account with Novo Bank. It's a relatively new bank, so it doesn't have the same track record as some of its competitors. It also doesn't have any physical branches, so you'll need to do all of your banking online or through the mobile app. Overall, I think that Novo Bank is a good option for people who are looking for a modern, convenient, and affordable banking experience. If you're willing to give up the convenience of having a physical branch, then I think Novo Bank is definitely worth considering. Well, that's all I have for you today. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.